Om Shanti. Essence of Avyakt Murli. 16th November 2025. Title of Murli. Know the importance of this time and pay attention to the deep philosophy of karma. Become a conqueror of attachment and be ever ready. Bap Dada said, this Purushottam Sangam Yuga, confluence age, is the most invaluable and supreme treasure. In this time, anyone who wishes to become supreme can do so to any extent. The value of 1 second in this short age is equivalent to a year. It is for this time that it is Sag, now or never. Baba further questioned, the speed of time is progressing very rapidly now. Is every child making intense spiritual effort, passing with honors in every subject, or merely passing? Baba then elucidated two characteristics of intense spiritual effort. Firstly, being Nashtamoha, detachment from all bodily consciousness and attachments, and secondly, being ever ready. You must first and foremost become Nashtamoha from body consciousness. The sign of body consciousness is wasting, that is, wasting futile thoughts and futile time. So, always check, has every second, every thought, and every action been successful? Finally, Baba stated, the time for self-effort is now very short, therefore, increase your account of accumulation. There are 3 methods to accumulate treasures. The first is to accumulate the treasure of destiny through one's own efforts. The second is to always remain content and make everyone else content. And the third is to always remain tireless in service and serve with a generous heart. Blessing for today. May you show royalty in every act you perform and every word you speak with reality and claim a right to go into the first division. Details are: reality means constantly to have the awareness of your original form, through which royalty will also be visible on your face. Reality means to belong to the one Father and none other. By your having this awareness, royalty will be visible in your every act and word. Whoever comes into contact with you will experience your activities to be like those of the Father. From your every word they will experience attainment and authority like the Father's. Because His company is real, it will work like a touchstone. Only such royal souls with reality will claim a right to the first division. Slogan is: increase your account of elevated actions, and your account of sinful actions will finish. Om Shanti. Avyakt signal. Increase the practice of the bodiless stage, Ashriri and Videhi. There is upheaval everywhere. The upheaval of people and nature is going to increase. At such a time, the means of safety is to make yourself bodiless, to go beyond your body and become soul conscious in a second. So, try this out every now and then and you will be able to stabilize your mind and intellect wherever you want. This is known as making spiritual endeavor.